Fast, affordable repairs for mobile electronic devices. Your gadgets play a major role in your professional, personal, and school life. When your phone, tablet, or laptop breaks, you want an expert to handle the repair. That's where we come in. With years of experience in the electronic repair industry, CPR Cell Phone Repair, Plymouth, Minnesota, can get the job done quickly and effectively. CPR Cell Phone Repair Plymouth offers comprehensive repair services for the electronic devices that you can't live without. Smartphone repair, all makes and models including iPhone, Samsung, LG, Motorola, and more. Tablet repair, all makes and models including iPad, Galaxy, Note, and more. Laptop repair, Mac repair, game console repair, iPod repair, and many other devices. We specialize in the following: cracked screens, battery and charging issues, water damage, fast turnaround, walk-in repairs, mail-in repairs, lifetime warranty.